Hi, I'm Kerry. I work here at All American Four-Wheel Drive. I've been here for about 10 years. With everybody that we have working here at All American Four-Wheel Drive, we have a vast array of knowledge and information. You know, if you do come across an issue, we can work on it together and get it figured out to where, you know, the customer's vehicle is going to be back on the road and safe. So one of the ways we strive to be better than our competition is, you know, our ability to diagnose vehicles correctly. We have all the specialty tools required to diagnose vehicles all the way up to 2021s. We are also able to rebuild engines in-house, rebuild transmissions in-house. We are also a fabrication shop. We're able to fabricate parts because a lot of parts for the old Jeeps just aren't available anymore. And you know, we have the knowledge that we are able to make or find these parts and get these vehicles back on the road and keep them running for generations to come. And that's a big part of what separates us from everybody else.